So I cannot recommend this stuff enough. It's instant micronized kava by Pure Kava. It's this instant mix. This has been amazing for my anxiety, my nerves at the end of the day. I started drinking a lot during quarantine, as I know a lot of other people did, and this helped cut my drinking down to basically nothing because I just want something to help me relax at the end of the day when I'm super stressed, and this helps so much. I just get this instant relaxation and just feel everything unwind, and this stuff is amazing because it's so quick. You literally just mix it. That's it. They also make these teas which lets you control a little bit more of your strength. This one's more of a daytime one. This is the Kava Tonga. It's a pain relief, mood enhancer, and increases alertness. This one's Island Dope, and it's more of like a nighttime one, and it'll really help you calm down and go to sleep. These are all amazing. I just really like the instant mix because I'm lazy and these take a little bit of work. They also come with a strainer that you hand strain it, but if you're the type of person who likes to make their own kava, then these are amazing. With the instant kava, they come with this little measuring scoop, and you just put 1 scoop of it, and then you just add water. And then I like to add this sugar-free peach syrup for taste. You can add it to anything. You can add it to juice, tea, any syrup you like, really. You just flavor it how you want. And then you can just blend it with a spoon. I have this little mixer that I like to use because I like to be really smooth, and kava can get a little chunky if you don't mix it well. So, but it literally just takes a few seconds of mixing. And that's it. And it's really good. Like, genuinely tastes better than the little kava cups that I get at the kava bar near me. Much less expensive and equally as strong. Definitely worth it. I originally found them on Amazon when I was looking for kava because I had been going to my kava bar, and again, it was insanely expensive and I wanted to find a cheaper way to get kava. And so I looked at a lot of different products, looked at the reviews, the ingredients, the companies, and Pure Kava definitely looked like the best. They are lab tested, so you actually know what you're getting, which is rare in supplements. And I like that it's a Polynesian owned and produced company because you know your money is actually going towards the place that makes it instead of just a big company. And they're really cool. I definitely highly recommend.